Get used to mine where not much happens when you first twist the throttle. Also the rear brake is pretty good on this. You can pretty much stand on mine and not a fat lot's going to happen. It's weird having nothing between my legs or skinny tank anyway. The torque is really nice. It's been a while since I rode a bike with actual torque. I mean, before I had the Magna, it was the Ninja. Before that, it was the Hornet. This is actually the first parallel twin I've ridden since my GPZ 500. Yeah, it's just instant torque. It's nice. Not the most fleet of foot, it has to be said. It feels like it wants to stay upright. Could easily just be tyres there. Yeah, you gotta hustle it to get it moving. More than the Magna, I'd say. That could be down to the narrower bars though as well. Really fat grips as well. Such a light throttle. You can be really precise with it, but you can also muck it up if you are ham-fisted. It's got a nice little really twist on. Some little pops as well on the overrun. Yeah, it's nice. I could see myself on one of these, yeah. I wonder what he reckons about the Magna.
Hot dog shit.
He said it was nice to be back on a cruiser again when he sat on it. Yeah, I like the little spits when you're off the throttle. It's probably not a good thing, but make waves. I shall. Yeah, it is fairly nimble once you get used to the narrower bars. I'm just used to like touching the bars on the Magna, and they're so wide that the whole bike moves instantly. It's an odd thing, a modern bike that's old school. This is the first sort of modern retro bike I've ever ridden. You know, this is Triumph's bread and butter, this kind of thing. So it's probably a good one to start on. Yeah, I like it. You get all the controls feel nice and the whole bike feels tight, yet well, I say the whole bike feels tight apart from that left grip, but that's another story. What do you reckon? What do you reckon?
It definitely lives up to expectations.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Said it lived up to his expectations. I think we might have a swap on our hand. You never know, he may buy it off me one day. I'll give him a good deal. I am enjoying these light controls on this. It just makes it so effortless in town. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah? Yeah, it's nice to be on a bike where all the controls work properly. there's the waterfront. Do you reckon here or there?
Thank you very much to the Road Warrior for allowing me that. Links will be in the description, etc. Makes a video once every 2-3 years. Maybe you'll see this on the channel someday, maybe not. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Catch you next time.
You did a formal vlog. Yeah, I was just chatting shit.
That's fantastic.
Yep. Oh, it's funny how it feels like home once you step back on your own. You're on the bike that you're used to. Love it. I did really enjoy the torque and the engine character on that bike though, and the riding position just felt beautiful, like the most natural position you could imagine. Yeah, I reckon I could spend all day on that. You're a bit more lean forward, so less weight squarely on your bum. Said to the man, you don't tempt me. I come from the land of plenty. I think I've got enough footage of us cruising the Plymouth streets now.